Welcome geniuses, I'm Genie, your best buddy for A-levels. In this channel, we'll bring you to explore the secret formula behind success.
Now for question 13, right, if you want to see the difference in pressure of the air in the tube and the atmospheric pressure, so you need to find the pressure at this point here first. So the pressure at this point here is basically the total atmospheric pressure on top plus the H rho g of the water. So that is your total pressure at this point here, all right, at this point here, because at this point here you have this column of liquid, which is the height of the liquid here, 0.5. So then you times rho g, you get the pressure of the water at this point, but don't forget to add the atmospheric on top. So you want to find the difference in pressure between this point and atmospheric, so you take this whole value and you subtract the atmospheric, then you'll be able to get H rho g. So that's your answer.
That's all for today's video. If you're interested in more genuine sharing by other geniuses, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to turn on the notification bell, ding dong. Also, if you're struggling with one or two past year questions and the mark scheme just doesn't seem to help, Genie has got you covered. Feel free to let us know what question it is by filling in the Google form linked in the description below. GenieUs Hub will get genius teachers to fulfill your request for the solution. Genie will see you next time. Bye-bye.